Hey, this is Ron, aka Gadget Man, and today is October the 11th. Anyway, what's happened here is Ron Fielder has just come in of BD Racing with his Titan, and I thought I might just let him tell you his story. Can you introduce yourself, Ron?
Hi, I'm Ron Fielder. 2004 Nissan Titan. Was getting terrible gas mileage, 14, 15 miles per gallon. It's now up over 20, 21 miles per gallon. And the performance has vastly improved on it. I didn't think it would get much better as far as throttle response, but it definitely does.
Well, now you also run your 05 Mustang, or 06. 06 Mustang.
06 Mustang GT.
You were getting...
I was getting, before you did the groove on it, I was getting about 23, 24. And after you did the groove on the way home, I was getting over 33. 33.4 to be exact.
That's almost 50% increase.
Yeah. Outstanding.
Man.
Now that's not going 60, 65, 50. That's going 70, 75 miles per hour.
With your air on too.
With the air on and cruising along, it's like I said, 70, 75 miles an hour. The gas mileage thing is not figured up on paper and stuff. It's figured with the scan gauge too.
So, are you happy with your vehicles?
Oh yeah, great. I think it's great.
Can a little groove make a big difference?
Oh yeah. The next vehicle I'm going to have done is my wife's 2008 Pathfinder.
You got anything else to tell everybody out there in Gadget Man Land, Ron?
Hey, get grooved.
On that note, we'll say God bless y'all richly and warmly. Remember to smile for a stranger today. And look, you know, when you get the urge to do something and you just feel like it's the right thing, jump on it. Don't hesitate, because somebody out there is going to be glad you did. So God bless y'all. This is Ron Hatton and Ron Fielder.
Yep.
Signing off.
See ya.
See y'all later. Bye-bye.